Wow, you guys, I'm so obsessed. Look at it. Do you guys see how long this is? Like, hello. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today it's gonna be an exciting video. First thing first, I'm gonna turn my flat iron on because I want my hair to be super straight, silky and straight. It's been 4 years, you guys, that I've had this flat iron. I used to use this back in my cosmetology days when I did learn how to do hair. That was a long time ago, you guys. I don't do hair no more. I can barely do my own hair. But today we're gonna transform the hair into a long silky hair. This is by BioSilk. Alright, you guys, so the first thing is to obviously take your hair out. So let me talk about the hair. The hair comes in this beautiful box. Classy, beautiful, like it's such a nice box. I don't think I want to throw this away. It's so pretty. You took care of me, oh so easily, so adrenaline. So when I took the hair out, you guys, it came with this little packet right here. This is an extension sample and you want to see if it matches your hair. You're never gonna find the exact same hair color, but you do want to match it like into similar. And sometimes you also have to tone your hair a little bit, especially if we're talking about blonde ombre extensions. So what I did is I matched it to the front piece of my hair because that's gonna be the last piece that's gonna be showing whenever you're gonna work your extensions. So I put it on roughly just to see the color, then I flip it over, and then do you see how it blends a little bit better? My hair has that blonde and like brown, and then this has like blonde and brown, which is perfect. I went on the balcony to make sure it's the same color. So before you open this, you guys, you have to make sure that this sample match your hair because you can't return it, you can't exchange it if you break this seal. So far, guys, this piece is such a soft hair. The hair is super duper soft. Here we go. Can't take that back no more, guys. All right, so let's see. This is a lot of hair. Oh my god, I cannot wait to have long beautiful hair. Short hair is nice. It's very easy to style. You just wake up, brush the hair, put a little heat or something, then run out of the door. Long hair takes a lot more maintenance, but long hair is sexy, in my opinion. Alright, so this is what the hair looks like, you guys. So it comes from brown. It's not black on the top. It's brown, then it comes to a blonde, very, very blonde hair. So I'm gonna see how many pieces I have before I put them on my head. So this is the first piece I'm pulling out. This is another 4, so that's 2. This is 3. Then this is 3. This is 2. 1. Oh, they have 1s too. 1s are weird, honestly, though. No? Don't you guys think 1s are weird? So there's 4 1s. So I'm gonna comb my hair first. So I want my hair to be really straight. Before I straighten it, I'm going to use this product. This one is just to make sure your hair doesn't get damaged after you put heat on it. But just a little bit, because then it gets sticky. So next you wanna comb your hair, you guys. You just wanna make sure there's no knots. So I'm gonna section off my hair. I'm gonna take just a rough section, you guys. Doesn't have to be super straight. Then I'm using a clip like this to make sure everything is out of the way. And then I'm going to straighten my hair. Oh my god, I think I need a mirror. I feel like I'm gonna burn myself. When you straighten your hair, guys, only do few passes. Don't go back and forth so much because that damages the hair really badly. Also, when you straighten your hair, you do wanna use a comb or a brush. Then you run it like this, and that makes the biggest difference, you guys. So once that's done, that first section, I'm going to clip my first number 4. Actually, number 3 first. I feel like that would make sense. Number 3, number 4, number 4, number 3. Yeah, let's do that. Because where I learned in cosmetology is like the biggest circumference of your head is right in the center. It's not gonna be the bottom here. So let's say you already know that you're going to move a lot and you're scared that the extensions are going to fall. So all you do is you're going to tease your hair just a little bit. Don't tease too much. This is really unhealthy for your hair. Then you just clip it on. The bottom is going to be number 3. Open it, obviously, you guys. Okay, so because we're using 3, you always want to go with the edge first. Clip it on. The other edge, clip it on before you go in the center of the extension. Okay. And we have the first row. Do you see the difference between my hair? My hair is so short compared to it. Oh my god. Now we're gonna move on. You always want to drop a little bit of hair before you move on to the next one. So the plan changed. I did number 3, and now I'm about to do number 4 because number 4 was way too long and it would like go out of my ear. So now I'm doing number 4 because now we're on the biggest area of the head. Okay. Hey baby, think I wanna marry you. I'm not gonna tease my hair anymore. That was just to show you guys that if you like go out or if you like move a lot, then you do want to tease it. But now I feel like it's secure enough. Okay, it's coming together. All right, that's number 4 on. So now I have number 3, number 3, number 4. Now I'm gonna move on to another number 4. So I'm learning as I go. I feel like it's better to like section your hair off with a comb. That way the line is kind of straight, so just section it off. It doesn't have to be perfectly straight. So next time when I'm gonna put my extension on and I want my hair to be straight, I'm going to straighten my whole head first before I put the extensions in. Because now I feel like some pieces are not straight. And you guys are gonna be a good judge of like how well it's going to blend, because now I'm in front of a window and this is the natural light. So this is natural Remy hair, so you can straighten it, curl it, dye it, whatever you do. We have another 4 section here. Whew. It's a lot of hair. Like I feel like my actual real hair is just this much. I have like pretty thin hair, you guys. Can't wait to feel like a different woman. We're moving on pretty quickly, you guys. The top is gonna be the hardest because my hair is pretty blunt cut. So to blend a blunt cut to a layer cut, it's gonna be a little hard. 2 pieces of hair on the side. Then another 2 on the other side. Actually, I'm gonna drop more hair before we finish everything off. Ah! I'm feeling this hair, you guys. I am feeling this hair. So now I'm just going to add pieces, random pieces. Right here. Right here. Then I'm gonna add one more, maybe right here. This is the last one. I don't know where to put this one. Wow, damn. Okay. So I have a few thoughts on them. So first off, I want to say that if you have those single ones, you do want to put them around your face because that's going to cover the bluntness of your hair. Because I want it to wear this straight. I do see a couple like strands coming out of it. Maybe because my hair is not as straight as it's supposed to be, because like my hair now, look, it's going out. But I think if my hair was like actually pinned straight before I put the extensions, it will blend better. I can definitely see myself wearing this curly and everything is just gonna flow together. But damn, this hair is on another level, y'all. Okay, so here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get my hair a little bit toned. I don't know if you guys can see, but see how my hair is a little bit orange. But even from far, you can't really tell. Like, it blends perfectly. But my hair is a little bit orange. So I'm gonna get my hair a little bit toned. So it's a little bit ashy, like blonde ashy look. So that would be better. My final thoughts on it, worth it. I was so excited about the hair. I forget to mention like what you get with it. When you order on the website, I don't know if it's only for a short amount of time. You do get a extension, like a ponytail extension, that you can like clip onto your hair, and then you get a ponytail. So this was free. Then you also get this, so you can hang your hair on here so it doesn't get tangled.
I know that I just met you, but you look, oh girl, you blow my mind. I know what I would like to do, but you just keep on talking. I see your dog needs walking. Your folk drive you insane. I know, yeah, that's true.